Hi everyone, welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony, and today we're making garlic knots. These garlic knots are super fluffy, airy, and light, and packed with garlic and herb flavor. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of yeast, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 1 cup of warm water. First thing we're going to do is mix in our flour, our sugar, and our yeast. We're going to mix this up till it's well combined. Now you don't have to do this in a stand mixer, you can definitely do it by hand. It's just going to take a little bit longer and it's going to be a really good arm workout. Now in with the salt, give that a stir. And we're going to go over to the stand mixer. Alright, we got our flour set up, we got our dough hook on. We're going to turn it on slow. We're going to slowly incorporate our water. And our oil. We're going to want to mix this together for about 7 to 8 minutes until a dough ball forms and pulls away from the side. Our dough ball is perfect. Now we're going to oil down the bowl. Oil down the dough as well, so that way it doesn't dry out. And we're going to want to cover this and let it rise for an hour. And in the meantime, we're going to work on the butter and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. For the butter, we need 1 stick of butter, 1 1/2 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 1/2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. We have the butter on the stove. We want to slowly melt it till the stick is completely melted. Then we're going to add in the garlic and the herbs and turn it down to a very low setting and let the herb and garlic infuse into the butter. Our butter is perfectly melted. Now in with the garlic. Now we don't want to saute this stuff up. We just want to infuse the butter with the flavoring. We're going to cook it on low about 2 minutes. Then we're going to set it aside to cool. Our hour rise time is over. Our dough has doubled in size. Let's punch this down. We're gonna oil down our cooking sheet, just like so. Set this to the side. Pull out our dough. Now you can make these any size you want. I'm going to break these down, just like so. And we're going to take it, roll it out, tie it in a knot, like so. Set it onto our baking sheet to rise for about another 15 minutes. Now we're going to place the garlic knots in the 350 degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Our garlic knots are exactly where we want them. They're perfect. We're going to take some of them into a bowl. We're going to take our garlic and herb butter mixture, put a little in, give them a toss, get them well coated. And do that with the rest. Alright, our garlic knots are perfectly done. Look at that. See the garlic piled high up on it? Let's get a taste of these. Look at the inside. So light, fluffy, tender, packed with garlic and herbs. Packed, I'm telling you. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you guys next time.